By the end of this video, you will have learned how to add your affiliate link to your messages and send out your message using the mailing system. Welcome, I'm James Cavendish, and for the last 5 years I've been a member of MyLeadGenSecret. The reason why I've been a member for so long is because MyLeadGenSecret is a ready-made home business. It's super easy to operate, and I've been able to earn monthly recurring paychecks since month 1. These paychecks are scalable, meaning I am in control of how big my paychecks become. In my upcoming videos, I will be sharing how I earn and grow these reliable monthly paychecks from MyLeadGenSecret. So if you like the thought of earning some scalable monthly paychecks for yourself, then I highly recommend subscribing and click the bell icon to get notified of when I release my next video, so you can learn more. So let's dive straight into today's video, where I'll be teaching you how to add your affiliate link to your messages. So the first step you need to do is you need to be able to log into the system, and I explain how to do this in my last video. And once you're logged into the system, then you can basically click on the mailing system up here at the top of the screen. Now once you click on this, it will bring you to the mailing system page. You click select all leads, and your leads will then move across from the left to the right hand side. Now I've already got 200,000 leads on this account that I'm going to be sending my message out to, and so this is just purely for example reasons only, and I've already sent my message out today, so this is just walking you through how to add your affiliate link. So you scroll down. I'm going to select the message that I've sent out today, and that will automatically load the subject line. If we scroll down to the box for the mailing, we've got the message that I've just loaded here. Now as you can see, I've got some live blue links that are visible on the screen. So when I actually send my message out, my links are all live. So you want to send out your affiliate link in your message. So what we're going to do is we're going to take your affiliate link. So if you can imagine, this is your account, and we're going to copy your affiliate link here. So we just copy that link, and then we go back to the mailing system, and what we're going to do then is we're literally just going to open a message, and we're going to add that affiliate link to the message. So let's say this is your message here, and you want to add your affiliate link. Now you've got two ways of doing that. You can either add the link as it is, and let's just do that. So we're just going to paste that link, and there's the link there. Now there's something different about this link. Now this link wouldn't actually work if you sent out your email, and there's a reason for that. It's because you haven't activated it, so it's not live. What you need to do is you need to highlight the text, then copy, then go up here to this link button. We're going to open this link, we're going to add the link there, we're going to click target, we're going to click on the new window, we're going to go back to the link information and click OK. And that's now a live link. You can see it's underlined, which means when the message is sent out, the leads that receive your message, they will be able to click on this link, and it will take them through to MyLeadGenSecret, where if they join, you can actually earn monthly recurring income from them. And the other way of doing it is if you wanted to highlight text and use the text instead of having your link, you can just highlight the text that you want to make live, go back to the link, put in our affiliate link, click on new window, and now this is live. So it's very simple to do, and if you're adding a message from the affiliates section, I'll just quickly show you. Your link will already be inside the message, so let's just go to this page here. In the affiliates section you will have 10 pre-written emails, so let's just do the first one here. Under this affiliate email it says import affiliate email 1 into the mailing system. So now the system is going to do everything for you. So your subject line is there and the message is already inputted into the mailing system. Now you'll see something at the bottom of the screen, and there it is. So that link is now live because it's blue and it's underlined, which means it's activated. So when your leads open this message, they will be able to click on that link and it will take them through to the MyLeadGenSecret homepage. So that's everything for today. It was just showing you how to add your affiliate link to your messages. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. By all means, click on the subscribe button and click the like button. Anything you can do there to help me grow my channel is hugely appreciated. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.